So here we are for day 6 of the Owen Advent offers, and following the success of the men's ones a couple of days ago, we've decided it's time to bring you our ladies' sheepskin gloves. Much like the men's, all hand cut and hand sewn, but the ladies have the beautiful added detail of what we call our bow, and this finishing detail touch just offers an extra bit of styling. The gloves are still equally as snugly warm, as you can see, sheepskin lined throughout. This colour is our sort of dark mushroom colour, we call it sep. Then they're offered in what I think is a very elegant soft grey, we call Ciel. And then finally, the other colour that we're offering today is the navy. They're half price. They would normally retail at 110. No, at 99. The men's were 110. They normally retail at 99. These now are reduced to 49, so half price. Yeah, all made in our factory in Somerset. Real sheepskin, hand cut and made, last you for life. The perfect gloves to keep your fingers warm when you're out cycling or walking the dog, anything really. Enjoy.